Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I give you the latest AI tools that you can use for free for your content creation and various works. In this video, I will show you 5 amazing AI art generator tools that you can use to create stunning images from text, sketches, photos, and more. Whether you want to make realistic portraits, abstract paintings, cartoon characters, or anything else you can imagine, these tools will help you unleash your inner artist. Let's get started. Tool number 1, clipdrop.co. Whether you want to remove unwanted objects, people, text, or defects from your pictures, extract the main subject with incredible accuracy, relight your images with beautiful lights, upscale your images by 2x or 4x without losing quality, or replace the background with anything you want, Clipdrop has it all. To use Clipdrop, follow these steps. Step 1. Visit the Clipdrop website at https://clipdrop.co. Step 2. Choose the desired tool from the available options, such as Cleanup, Remove Background, Relight, Image Upscaler, Text to Image, or Replace Background. Step 3. Upload your image. Step 4. Use the selected tool to edit your image according to your needs. Step 5. Download the edited image or share it directly from the website. Clipdrop is also available as a plugin for Photoshop and Figma, and as an app for iOS and Android devices. To use it on these platforms, download the appropriate app or plugin and follow the instructions provided. Tool number 2, Leonardo.ai. Leonardo.ai is a revolutionary platform that lets you create stunning game assets with AI. To use Leonardo.ai, follow these steps. Step 1. Go to the Leonardo.ai website and click on the Get Early Access button. Step 2. Add your email to receive a link to join the Discord channel. Step 3. Join the Discord channel and introduce yourself in the Crown Introductions section. Step 4. Fill out the form in the Sparkles Priority Early Access section. Step 5. Wait for the invitation, which may take up to 24 hours or more due to demand. Once you have access to Leonardo.ai, you can start using it by selecting your desired use case, filling out the form specific to that use case, and clicking the Generate button to receive your output. Sign up for exclusive early bird access today to see the magic for yourself. Tool number 3, Playground AI. Playground is a powerful AI image editor that lets you create any image from your imagination. Whether you want to create animals, anime, fashion, food, landscapes, sci-fi, vehicles, or anything else, Playground AI can help you bring your ideas to life. To use Playground AI, follow these steps. Step 1. Visit the Playground AI website at https://playgroundai.com. Step 2. Sign up for an account by entering your email address and a password. Step 3. Choose the free plan. Step 4. Explore the tool and experiment with the different options, including different AI models, image filters, and more. Step 5. Create your first image by clicking on the Create button and start experimenting with the different options. You can upload your own images, use the built-in image search functionality, or start with a blank canvas and create your own artwork from scratch. Step 6. Download your image in a variety of formats, including JPG and PNG. You can also share your image on social media or with other users of the Playground AI art generator. Sign up today and unleash your creativity with Playground AI. Tool number 4, Playerty.com. Playerty is a free AI art generator tool that lets you create amazing digital artwork from images, photos, and videos. Whether you want to create abstract, geometric, or realistic art, Playerty can help you generate unique artwork with advanced algorithms. To use Playerty, follow these steps. Step 1. Visit the Playerty website at https://www.playerty.com. Step 2. No sign-up is required to use the tool. Step 3. Start creating art by clicking 3 buttons, selecting the character, location, and activity. Step 4. Enjoy the generated art and share it with others or use it for fun. Play Arty is a free tool that allows you to create art easily and quickly. Tool number 5, imp.co. Fi is the home of the world's best emerging brands in home, living and art. Whether you're looking for wall art, canvas prints, framed art prints, posters, wallpaper, or wall decor, Fi has it all. To use Fi Studio, follow these steps. Step 1. Visit the Fi website at https://www.imp.co/studio. Step 2. Type in your ideas or concepts that you want to turn into unique wall art. Step 3. Fi Studio will generate a never-seen-before piece of wall art based on your input. Step 4. Enjoy the created artwork and use it for your personal or professional needs. Fi Studio is a free tool that allows you to transform your ideas into custom wall art. Visit iamfi.co today and find your new favorite things.